Hi everyone, I'm going to make some videos today about some origami. So one of our activities on Friday is to make an origami craft. I'm going to show you how to make a pair of sunglasses, but obviously you can go online. There are thousands and thousands of different ones you can make. Some are really simple, some are really hard. I found the biggest problem is that I don't have a square piece of paper, but I've actually found one that you can do with normal paper. So here we go. This is going to make a pair of sunglasses, and you need just a normal piece of paper, and I've got it long ways. And I'm going to fold this corner here down to the bottom corner here. It will hang over the sides on each side. That is what it's supposed to do. Alright, so I've matched up my corners and I'm folding it together. End up with this shape here. Then what I'm going to do is really simple. I'm going to take this corner and fold it over to this corner. Again, make sure you squish it down hard. There we go. Right, now I need to open it back up. So open it up completely, and this is the bit that I found a little bit tricky. I'm going to actually fold it along that triangle line, so it will come together. Alright, so along this long one. So you put your paper back long and you're folding along that long triangle. And when you fold it, it looks like two mountains. So it's got two bits there. Okay? Alright, now, doesn't matter which way you do it, they're both the same. I'm going to take the bottom half and I'm going to fold it up so it touches that point there in the middle. Okay? There we go, one fold. Make sure you squish it tight so it looks like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold it up to that top line again. So it looks like this. And then I'm going to fold it one more time. It is a bit tricky to do this last fold because it is getting a bit thick. I find it's easiest to do one side at a time. So here we go. I have my folded piece here. Alright, next step. I'm going to turn it this way so the little flaps, okay, are at the front. Yep. And I'm going to fold it backwards. Okay, so I'm going to fold from the edge of there back on itself and squish it down. This is to make the arm of the glasses. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Whoops, there we go. Pretty close. The last thing we're going to do is fold up the little points. So I'm just going to fold the very little bottom edge, fold one up, and then fold the other up. And here you have your own pair of origami sunglasses. Feel free to have a try at making them, or as I said, go online and see if you can find something else. Good luck.